How to download and install WhatsApp on mobile. Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this instructional video presentation, I'll show you on how to download and install WhatsApp on your mobile device. The steps are same for both Android and iOS devices, so let's start the process. First of all, begin by opening the App Store or the Play Store. If you're on the iPhone, go to the App Store, and if you're on the Android phone, go to the Play Store. Now go to the search tab and then type in WhatsApp, and when it appears in the search results, tap on it to start downloading the app. If prompted, you can use the Touch ID, Face ID, or enter your password to confirm. Then after, wait for the download to complete, and this should only take a few minutes. Once your download is done, tap Open to start using the WhatsApp. Click on the language according to your preference, and you can click on Agree and Continue. Then after, input your mobile number and verify with the code that will be sent to your mobile number. So that's all it takes to download and install WhatsApp to your mobile device. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to notify yourself with our latest contents. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.